Hey guys, Tariq here with ChoreRelief with another new feature that I want you to be aware of. So as a contractor, there's always this issue when you send out a bid but you don't hear back from the customer. So we want to create a channel for you to connect with the clients, ask some questions after you send out your bid. So this is how it works. When you actually open the app and you go to the job bid tab, this here will show you all the jobs that you've bid on, including the price that you send your bid on. So two things here you can do. You can actually tap on the job and change your bid. If you happen to have a different dialogue between you and the client that you agree to different prices, you can actually change it here, send it over to them before they can actually hire you. Or now there's an actual chat button. If you look at the under the profile picture, there's a little bubble chat there. Here you can actually go ahead and ask the customer directly some more information about the job and the requirements. Always you can access that job so you don't get lost by clicking on the job details, and it shows you all the job details for that work. I hope this feature helped you guys close more deals, convert these customers into paying customers. And if there's anything that you'd like us to do and help you in terms of scaling your business, let us know in the comment below. We're always here to help. Once again, thanks for watching.